Hi everyone, so welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video, if you want to sync your Goodnotes from your iPad to PC, then here's how to do it. If you want to transfer your Goodnotes from your iPad to your PC, then here's how a two method to do it. So first on, you want to go to your PC and download the Goodnotes app. So in the browser, you just want to click on goodnotes.com, then press on download if you have Windows or Android PC. Next is that from here, you want to log in the same credentials from your iPad to your PC. So from your iPad, you want to search in and remember the password and username or email that you have used, and that credentials will work also on your PC, and all your files will be also in your PC. But if you want to do another way, and here's how to do it. You want to go to your iCloud drive on your iPad, then sync the iPad with your GoodNotes. After that, you want to go on type iCloud.com and just log in also with the credentials that you have with your iCloud, and all the apps that was synced with the GoodNotes from your iCloud will also be synced to your PC. That is all.